I got my friend right here. It's gonna be the cameraman. He's shy, he's shy. It's his first time in the camera. Say what's up to the world.
What's up?
Today we're gonna do, what do you say?
Fried rice.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing,
Arroz frito con habichuela.
diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said say Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said say Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah.
Fried rice.
Arroz frito con habichuela. Fried rice. We're making fried rice. We got the ingredients, some rice, veggies, frozen veggies. I'm gonna cook this. Put some, I was gonna say frijoles, bacon. So I'm gonna put this babies on the oven. So cameraman, take over. Gracias. So I don't know how to cook, so don't judge, okay? Make sure I'm on the frame.
Yep.
Get my beautiful face, okay? Got it? Yeah. Look good? Yeah. So we get close over here. Por favor. We got these chicken patties. All right, they're frozen. I'm gonna throw some in there. How many you want? 2, 3?
2.
2. We say dos. And it's right here. Maybe. There goes right there. They are really frozen. Okay. We're gonna throw this on the fried rice. I know these are for hamburgers, but let's make them. I'm thinking to put some bacon. You like bacon?
Yeah.
You eat bacon?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. Good.
Are you gonna put the bacon in there?
Yes. On top, so it can get juicy when it's melting. Exquisito. And cut this. Right there. Okay. Cut some pieces, separate them. Cinco. Okay, we got 3, 5. Good. Put them on top right here to get the juice when it's cooking. Pat out. Ta-da! Let's put it for 25 minutes cooking. Let's cook the rice. Let's finish this back. Ooh, okay. I think that's a little too much for that little pot. So, alright, we're gonna put this right here. Let's clean this rice up. Wash the rice nice and clean. Well, this one is not too bad.
After the rice, what are you gonna do? Put these veggies in?
After the rice, we're gonna put the veggies to boil and then wait for the rice to be done. Alright. Let's right here and put it mid temperature. Oh, so that is melting now. I'm gonna get another pot and get the veggies. Let's put some water in here. Got half of the pot with water. Let it boil. Then I throw the veggies. Which one is it? Alright guys. ¿Estaba en español o en inglés?
No, que sí. Whatever.
No me acuerdo. Okay, we're back guys. Right now I'm about to chop this. Chop. Los veggies. Que se cuezan un ratito. Okay. Okay. Let's clean that. Chop the onions, medium-sized chunks. Okay. Okay. Now the pepper. We slice it in half. This right here. I'm gonna put just a little bit to give it a little taste. We're gonna mix the sesame seed oil, but it's okay. That gives some more flavor and taste and smell to the food, but we can deal with it. It's real fun. Got the rice boiling. Look at over here with the chicken. Look at that. What we should call it? Fried rice, gourmet fried rice. I got the warm here. Ready for the rice. Alright guys, well, the rice is almost done. Just give it a couple of minutes, just maybe one more minute. Let's get this warm. The veggies are ready also. I got this chopped. I'm gonna scramble the eggs right here, fry them.
Me or you?
Oh, they're alive. Alright, let's start with the eggs. Okay, let's put this right here. Come over here. Look at these beauties. Look at these babies. Let's throw some oil right here on the wok. Just a little bit. Let's get it warm. Okay. The point is done. The reason why the Chinese fry a little bit the vegetables is so it won't lose the minerals, vitamins, and all the stuff that it has. So let's zoom just a little bit. In the meantime, the teriyaki flavor fried rice. Let's throw some soy sauce, just a little bit. So this thing right here. A little bit more, then I'm gonna throw the egg. Rice should be ready in a couple of seconds. Soy sauce. Half a spoon. I like garlic. You like garlic? So little on top. Okay, let's check the rice. Finito. In here, my friends. And it's smelling delicious.
No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose. When I fly high, my face still stay 10 toes. Bring the beat, bring the truth, put the lights up, kiss the season. Me no Prince, no Ebenezer. Don't believe it. Stay up,
Beautiful.
that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. They said, say Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. They said, say Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. They said, say Nick, but you got a bit in that bag. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back. Merry Christmas, everybody.